cuba membawa bola sepak tanah air kepada tahap yang lebih tinggi. This is like a revolution, guys. We are trying to bring Malaysian football into another level. Now, whatever we plan for, whatever we build, apa benda yang kita merancang, apa benda yang kita membina, tiada maknanya jikalau tak ada keputusan ataupun tak ada pencapaian. Whatever we build is nothing if we do not have result. Remember this. There are some who doubt us. Ada beberapa pihak yang tak percaya. Never mind. We are doing something new. They are not used to it. Let it be. Your performance speak louder than what they think. This performance, this unity is our home. It's time for us to show our true fucking colors. Guys, if we change football in this fucking country, jikalau kita tukar bola sepak dalam tanah air, it's all because of you. No one else. You are the warriors. You make them feel the sense of belonging. You make them feel belief. That is what we want. Kita nak orang percaya. Dan salah satu cara mereka boleh percaya adalah apa benda kita tunjuk perwatakan kita. Show our character. Fighting spirit. This is our home. Alright? Go!